Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to your home. Today's recipe is Tinolang Manok, or a chicken broth with ginger. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe: chicken, spinach, chayote, oil, water, fish sauce, ground black pepper, chicken cube, onion, garlic, and ginger. Get some oil in the pot and get it hot before adding any ingredients. Now the oil is hot, add the garlic. Stir it until light brown. Add onion, until onion soft. Add ginger, stirring continuously. For about a second, then add the chicken. Keep stirring until chicken light brown. Now the chicken is brown, add water and bring it to boil. Now the chicken is boiled, lower the heat and simmer it for 20 minutes. Cover. After 20 minutes of cooking, you notice there's some scum floating on the surface. Just remove. Now you can add the chicken cube and the chayote. Traditionally in the Philippines, we use raw papaya, but I can't find her in France, so I use chayote instead. After 10 minutes, the chayote now is soft. Add pepper, ground black pepper, fish sauce, give it a stir, and add spinach. Traditionally in the Philippines, we use malunggay, but can't find in France, so I use spinach instead. And simmer it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our tinolang manok is now done. Transfer to a serving bowl quickly, serve hot and enjoy with rice. Our tinolang manok or chicken ginger broth is now ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. See you soon!